creative minds. Today, we are back with a concept sketch of Lord Ganesh in the avatar of a businessman. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. Choose your preferred medium, be it digital or paper. This tutorial is meant to develop your character study and study of human figure and anatomy. For today's artistry trivia, what is the significance of the Visarjan ritual on the last day of Ganesh festival and why is it performed? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. This is the 8th and the final sketch of our series where we draw Lord Ganesh as different professions. Today we are drawing Lord Ganesh as a businessman. These 10 days were filled with the presence of Lord Ganesh, surrounded by creative decorations and long lines of devotees to worship him. Check out the previous videos as well where we draw Lord Ganesh as a scientist and a singer. As we know, the head of Lord Ganesh is elephant's head, so draw accordingly. This is the first stage of the drawing, so use light strokes so later you can erase them, add details. If you observe our character is wearing a suit and is holding a paper and a briefcase, because when we look at businessmen, they are dressed the same way and they too are always occupied and indulged in how their business is doing. What are statistics? Tap an eraser over the basic sketch so that we can start with detailing. Start with the details of the head. Detailing is a very crucial process, so take your time while doing it. Next, add detail to the props and the costume. Once you are done with the drawing, let's start with the coloring process. Carefully color this gauge, making sure the color doesn't spill out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. A drawing of Lord Ganesha as a businessman dressed in a sleek suit symbolizes the fusion of traditional wisdom and modern entrepreneurship, representing success, intellect, and the balance of spiritual and material pursuits. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a marvelous sketch of Lord Ganesh as a businessman. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. On the last day of Ganesh festival, called Anant Chaturdashi, devotees perform the Visarjan of Ganesha idols in water. This ritual symbolizes Lord Ganesha's return to his celestial home, removing obstacles and taking away the devotees' troubles, while reminding them of the cycle of creation and dissolution. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel. And definitely check out the advanced playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.